everyone. Thank you for being here with me to commemorate the life of my officer in command, my mentor, and also my role model, Captain Steve Grant Rogers, who also known as Captain America. For any of you who doesn't know Captain's upbringing, he was born 5 foot tall, 100 pounds, and was constantly being bullied throughout his childhood. But he didn't let that hatred of being bullied live inside his heart. In fact, despite of his physical appearance and his health symptoms, he never gave up on enlisting into the military. And no matter how many times he got rejected, he would start all over again until he got in. And eventually he did get in. In boot camp, because he was a small guy, and I would say weak, because every test that was given by the requirement, he struggled to get through it. But luckily, a group of doctors and associated with Mr. Howard Stank, a big military contract at the time, created a serum that will give you strength and power of a superhuman. Steve was chosen to be the one that be tested, and they successfully transformed him into a 6 foot tall, 200 pounds super soldier. And carrying with himself that kind of title, Steve didn't brag about his extraordinary strength, but he stayed humble and contribute as much as he could for the country. He was a very gutsy comrade who would never let one single man behind, or even the whole unit behind. He was a courage soldier for fighting against all enemies, no matter how enormous they are or how strong they are compared to him. And in his very last battle, which is the battle that ended World War II, he was brave in this decision of forfeiting his very first date with the woman that he loved in order to save millions of others in the country. And here's the point: even though his power and his strength came from a bottle, and he was just a laboratory experiment, it didn't stop him from showing me that a man is not valued by what he's built for himself, but a man is valued for what he's built for others. It didn't stop him from showing me that the more gifted I am, the more I had to contribute, like he did. It didn't stop him from showing me that no matter what title I attain, being kind is always a choice. So it would be up to us to be kind to each other. May his legacy will always live in every young man's heart. Thank you, you all.